2018 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, lane departure warning, navigation system, traction control, backup camera, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, rear defrost. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.